Good afternoon folks and welcome to Blackpool CAT. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site. Clouds are rolling in but it's still dry so far. Bit of a change around on the forecourt, so there's plenty of stock for you to come and have a look at. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and have a look at our vehicle videos online. Or go direct to our website at coxmotorgroup.com and you can have a look at our stock on there also. Some new additions over the past couple of days, so they're now listed. One of which is this one that I'm about to show you, and it's a 2019 Seat Leon. It's a TSI EVO SE edition, 1.5 petrol, 6-speed manual, 5-door hatch in urban silver, which looks really nice. You get cruise control, comfort suspension and comfort seats, cornering fog lights, media system plus, front assist and 16-inch silver alloys. You got a really good sized boot. You've also got underfloor storage as well. 60/40 split on the back seats. Into the interior, and it's full cloth all the way through in dark grey, and then you've got the centre sections that are patterned along with the grey stitching around the outside edges. 6-speed gearbox, electric parking brake, auto hold, 2 USB ports and auxiliary, aircon, climate control, colour screen console for the centre, you got your full link there, DAB radio, pretty standard layout for the cockpit, digital screen in the centre, cruise control, indicators and beam settings on your left hand stick, left hand of the steering wheel, voice control, volume control, audio functions, right hand one, windscreen wipers and washers, and then right under the steering wheel is your control pad for your centre screen in the cockpit, so you choose your display information. Headlight functions a bit further down your right. And then in the door, you got your central locking, wing mirrors and windows. As you can see, it is a lovely car. It's very nice to drive. So not only does it look smart, but it drives smart as well. If you've got any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email or give us a call. Or better still, pop down and see us.